Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can run your Python code in the terminal of your Visual Studio's code. So here you can see that I have this particular small code right here, which is just an input program. So if I try to run this into the terminal, then one of the main issues that you might have faced is that the user will not be able to enter any input into the terminal. So let us see how to fix this. So in order to fix this, the first thing you need to do is head on to the extensions tab of your Visual Studio's code, and from here you need to type in the following name, that is code runner, and you will come across the first extension by Junhuan with around 32.9 million in downloads. So you need to install this particular extension, and once you have installed this extension, you need to head on to the file tab, click here, and from here click on the references. Under the references you need to head on to the settings, and from the settings you need to head on to the last option, that is the extensions, and at the under the extensions simply scroll down and you will see this option, run code configuration. Click here and just scroll down a little, and you can see this option which says run in terminal, whether to run code in integrated terminal. Simply choose this option, and now you're all set. So let us get back to our previous code and try to run it with this button. So click on the run code button, and here you can see that it has ran in the terminal, and now I can also enter any input. So for example, let's see, I will enter an input, and here you can see that it has returned me with the same value. So that means that the code indeed works well. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.